This should be a relatively straightforward installation. Famous last words. Basically, we're going to mount this right here to hold either an iPad or an iPad mini. My biggest question is, will it still be able to work with my current cell phone holder? Let's dig in and check it out. So they send this to you, so you don't need any parts for this. We're just going to take this bad boy off. Drop it on the floor, of course. I'm going to replace it with the ball. And I'm going to take this piece here, place it up both sides. Clamp it down. Looks like it's going to work pretty well. It also comes with this tool. I almost don't want to show you because they tell you to scan it and it tells you what it is. But it's actually put on here to tighten these extra tight so you don't get any movement. We're not going to be using the bottle opener till later. All right. Let's grab an iPad, see if this sucker works. I'm definitely liking these connections. You can rotate it however you need to. Lock it in. Two little push buttons here on the side. Hand out of the way. Two little push buttons here on the side. Push that in. Now this will lift up. These feet right here, they open up. They're able to hold it. So configuration wise, try the iPad mini. It will hold an iPad mini standing up. I personally kind of plan to use it in this configuration though. So I can lower it down. Just like get it just a little bit lower than that. So my question of, will it work with my current cell phone holder over here? Yeah, absolutely. Plenty of adjustability. Nothing you have to worry about at all. Don't quite know how I want it yet. Maybe something like that. My daughter's with me, I guess, and wants to not have to hold her iPad mini. She can put it right here. I love it for the mini. How about an iPad? Luckily, I have an old busted iPad to test it out. Raise this up, put the feet out, insert busted iPad, lower it down just a little bit. Works for an iPad as well. All right, now the hard part. Figure out which one we're actually going to use. And if you want, it can also be used to hold a cell phone. Can't beat that. It appears that this one is a wrap. Got the iPad mounted perfectly. My daughter's in the car. She can watch the iPad. Position that it's at right now is not great because the airbag is going to deploy behind it, but I can adjust that too. And plenty of room to hold a phone. We're going to call this one a wrap. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this helps you out if you're looking to do a project similar to this. It was super easy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe, hit notifications if you're interested in seeing more. Till next time, enjoy the ride.